Someone just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience.
Safe and Sound Electric was a pleasure to work with. They installed a Tesla charging station in my garage and an overhead light. My technician, Stan, showed up right on time. He communicated very well and was upfront and transparent about all costs. He paid attention to detail and didn't rush the job. I will definitely use them again.
And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from past visitors, we also love earning 5-star reviews from new people. We want to earn one from you. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.